I want to start, just going over what I go through on a daily basis. As owner of a fire alarm company, I play many hats within the company as technician, accounting, sales, marketing, project manager. So all these different hats that I played within my business, I want to start recording it, sharing the information, and hopefully it can help you in whatever business you're in, or even if you're trying to get in this type of field to help yourself out, you and your family. So today I got regular 2 service calls. So if you don't know, I do run a small fire alarm and security company called Secure Securities. And what I mean by small is just me. I had employees, but what I found out is that, I was reaching out too close to people that I knew around me, and sometimes it just didn't work out. I don't know if it's, proximity relationship and people, I don't know, man. They see you as you are, but you're trying to elevate, and whatever their feelings are, they just really don't help you as much as you would help them. I don't know. The feeling in between those 2 dynamics is very, very weird. So regardless of all that, I had to let those people go, and I had to grow from that and understand that I just need to find strangers. I need to find people that don't know me and that's willing to actually work and put the time in to help grow the business and whatnot. So today, before I go into my office, I just wanted to shoot this video just to give you just a little bit of motivation on how whatever it is you're doing, if you keep God first, not knowing whatever steps that you need to take from A to Z, but if you got that knowing that God is going to take you there, just keep going forward. That's all you really got to do. You don't have to have all the answers. You just got to have the knowing to get to where you got to go. So like I said, I'm sitting in the parking lot before I go inside my office, and today I got 2 service calls. And what's important about these 2 service calls is the first one is a pet cemetery, and how I got this pet cemetery job was my second year doing business. Like right after my first year doing business, my first year I made like $96,000. And at that point I was like, whoa, I could actually do it. It was a struggle, 96, but I was like, wow, this is actually equivalent to my paycheck that I had last year. Nah, I got something here and whatnot. So with that motivation, I came across this company called Home Advisor, and what they do is they throw leads. And what I learned is, as soon as you get a lead, you got to call them in 0.0 seconds, or you're going to lose the lead. So the game was, as soon as you get a lead, call them right away, call them right away, call them right away, and then try to, seal the deal, because these are qualified leads that's looking for work like right now. So Pet Cemetery was one of them 7 years ago. So at the time, it was analog camera systems at the time. So I put in analog camera system in their facility, and on their facility there's like 2 different buildings. Like a smaller building, I believe they do all the cremation there, and then all the registration, and then there's the other building, I believe that does the cremation for, like I said, it's a pet cemetery, so dog, cats, and all these different type animals get buried there. So the smaller building had a 4-camera system, and the bigger building had a 9-camera system. First time I got there, this is year 2, through Home Advisor, I upgraded the 4-camera system to an analog system. Back in the days when they was using BNC, running Siamese cables, that's what I did there. The main building, or the crematory building, got word that I did the job, and then I upgraded their 9-camera analog system, BNCs and Siamese cable. Now we fast forward to 7-8 years later, which is now, because a few months ago, same thing, upgraded the 4-camera system to an IP camera system. And then now I'm doing the big building and upgrading them from a 9-camera system to a 16-camera system. So, but initially I just upgraded the first 9 cameras. I'm going back today to add another camera and a monitor. So I say that to say that I didn't know I was going to get Home Advisor to help me generate leads for my business. I just was doing some Google research, how to find leads and how to get leads for my business. I was actually Googling, really doing some research on how to run a business, and I came across Home Advisor. That's why I say it's all about God. It's like you first have the faith, and then that faith turn into belief, and then that belief just all knowing. Like I be walking into the store, sometimes I could be dead broke. I'm walking to the store feeling that I have money until I walk into the store and realize I'm broke. I ain't got no money. Then I just walk back out. That's the knowing part. Even if I don't have money, I be feeling like I have money and whatnot. But that's why I got the business going. And I just got to figure out how to get the finances correct. As long as I can make money, I still got chances to get that correct. So my goal is to find people to help me in the business, because there's holes in the business that's causing me to keep maintaining, but I don't want to do just maintain. I want to do better than maintain, because maintaining is just maintaining.